Okay, so I found this new website that allows you to buy or negotiate with private sellers or dealerships right in the app. It's called Purr.ca, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to make an offer on a Lamborghini if I can find one. So we go to Purr.ca, we click buy, browse vehicles, and from the top they got some really nice stuff, higher end, 329,000. We're going to go highest price to lowest price. And we're looking for these G Wagons are nice, but we're looking for a Lamborghini. So here's one, an '07 Lamborghini Gallardo with 54,000 kilometers. We can click in, we can check out all the pictures of the vehicle. Now, this could be a private seller at the dealership, or this could be one of the dealership's vehicles. And we can make an offer either way. And so let's just make sure the pictures are good. Gives us pictures look good. Gives us a lot of information on the vehicle. But when you're buying a vehicle, you want to make sure you can see the inspection. And it looks like this site has all the inspection details right here. And you can click in for a full detailed inspection report as well. Looks like this is very thorough. Looks like it has everything passing, which is great. Now I can share this with a friend or download the inspection. Very simple, easy to use. Another thing you want to make sure is you have a Carfax when you're buying a vehicle. So let's check, especially on a Lamborghini. You do not want to have a claim on it. So let's see. It's American registered. Service records have been found, but no accidents. So that's great. That's what we want to see. Let's go back. Looks good to me. So we can either save this, share it with a friend, make an offer, or book a test drive. First, I want to make an offer. I know the used car market is down. 139,000 might be a little high for this. Let's start with an offer of 129,000. So when I send this offer in, they can either accept, reject, or counter. Now let's see what happens here. So we're going to submit our offer. Stay tuned, follow us, and see what happens with this offer on the next episode.